In this question, it says that Savita invested rupees 1,000. So this is the principal amount which is interested in a finance company, and she received 1331 rupees. That should be an amount. After 3 years, we have to find the rate of interest per annum, and that's compounded annually. So let's write down the information symbolically. We can see that the information we have as of now is, we know the principal here, which is denoted by capital PS, how much it is. That is rupees 1,000. Then next we have, also we know the amount here. So we can write A is equal to, that is rupees 1331. And then N, which is the number of terms here, or the year, you can say it's given here. N, which is the number of term. And that is 3. And it's 3 here. And what we have to get here is the rate of interest, right? So we have to find R in this case. So R is what we have to calculate here. Now we have a formula for finding, we'll be applying this formula for amount in order to get the rate. So let's write down the information here. So we have A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power N. So we can replace A with its value, that is 1331. 1331 is equal to P, which is 1,000 in this case, over, that's into 1 plus R is what we have to get, that divided by 100 raised to the power N, which is given here as 3. Now, if I transpose this 1,000 on the other side, it should be divided. Now, what you can see, we get 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power 3. Now, in order to simplify this further, we must reduce it in terms of cube. Well, you should know that this is 1331 is 11 cube and this is 10 cube. So this is 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power 3. Now, if you compare the LHS and RHS here, as they have the same power, so what we can do in this case, we can equate their bases and can say that this is 11. Can say it's 11 over 10 is equal to 1 plus R over 100, as they have the same power on both sides. Now, transposing 1 to the left, it should become minus 1 is equal to R over 100. Now, with further simplification, LCM being 10, so it's 11 minus 10 is equal to R over 100. So that is 1 over 10 is equal to R over 100. So by cross multiplication, it is 10 times R is equal to 100, or we can say R is 10%. So we had to find the rate of interest in this case, and we calculated the rate of interest, and that comes out to be 10% per annum. This is P dot A for 10% per annum.